What's going on YouTube? I haven't posted any videos in a while of the Trailblazer build, so I'm about to play catch up with that. And then I finally got the truck running. I done took it a couple places. I'll be throwing clips in from pretty much all of that.
Feel me? What day is it? Like Tuesday? It's like Tuesday. We in that SS thing again, man. Doing super supreme shit, dog. Give me another day.
Got our first little dock. Back in the jet skis in. Already got one off. Got it over there waiting. Got this one on here. Also ended up picking up a new build with the Trailblazer. This shit get the fuck off, boy.
How you gonna try to get?
About to be sliding.
You gotta get those ones. Those black and yellow ones.
About to be sliding. So I'll have that in there too, because I'm about to do some more work to the new build that I have. So I wanted to make sure I had everything on YouTube just right there, so I could have everything settled and done instead of scattered in my phone, you know. So check out these next videos I'm about to post. And this is the Trailblazer complete, running and driving. Get a better distance. These things really sit high like a damn monster truck. But that's because I got actual springs. You can't even see. I got springs instead of air shocks. Got the interior 100% complete. Nice and clean. Let's get a... I don't know why it's straining like that. It's a lot, man. I haven't posted, so I have to update you guys on everything. The transmission ended up going out in here with the all-wheel drive setup. So I ended up rebuilding it with a two-wheel drive setup. I ended up taking the motor and transmission all the way back out. I'll post some pictures of that. So now this is a two-wheel drive truck. No more all-wheel drive. And this is the build I went and picked up. A 1999 Camaro. It has 140,000 miles. I ended up getting it from a family friend. It's been in my family for about, I think he had it since about 2006. Yeah. He had it for some time. I ended up getting it from him as a shell. I took the car complete. I did all the work. Interior is clean. Leather seats is fresh. Got half a fucking steering wheel though. The rest is right there. I don't know how that dude broke it. But I'm gonna pop the hood. So once again, I have to fill you guys in. I ended up buying a Denali like I did my Trailblazer. Took the motor out of 6.0 and I installed it in here. I'll post videos and pictures showing me doing all the work. But this is Camaro, and I'm about to take this back apart, bust this shit right back down. I have a crazy ass exhaust leak from a bracket that snapped off under here, but basically when I drive, like right now the oil pressure is low until I hit the gas and start driving. I'll show you guys right now. basically, look, got that. See, it's soon as you hit the gas, it starts moving. Like when I hit the gas, it moves, but it idles and drops to the floor. So I'm like, I'm gonna just take it apart, rebuild the motor, but I have to make sure I get everything on YouTube today. See, no problem once you start driving. I don't like that. I want this car 100% complete. I don't want to drive around half-ass. All this oil pressure shit is after I put the motor in, and I literally took it out, put a new oil pump. Motherfucking oil pump swap. I had to bust this bitch down. Fuck this rain. Out here looking like a motherfucking banana. I'll put pictures of that. So this is the aftermath of all that. So it's clear as day. This motor has to get taken out and rebuilt. So that's where we're about to head to that next. Start taking it apart now. Keep you guys updated. So I got the front accessories off, intake off, radiator, water pump, power steering, alternator off. I'm getting the header bolts out now. Put everything inside, keep everything organized. Everything up in there. About to have this motor up out of here today. Got majority of everything off. I had to lower the front, lift up the back. Got some suspension under here too. And I got the rear end down with some gears. But now I'm disconnecting the dry shaft. I took the motor mount bolts out, take it right out. Got the rest of the parts in here. Almost there. Honestly, I think the AutoZone gaskets is bullshit. Cause I ain't never seen it like before like that. And I know I had one bolt that was fucked up in the back. Got that bitch halfway out. If I could put like a LS3, that should be perfect. Got the motor and trans out. Like tranny fluid everywhere. And that is a wrap for today's work. Got the engine and transmission out of there. About to build this, get everything back straight, throw it in there when we're ready. But it's a done deal for today. Stay posted for the next video. Niggas outside, boy. Yeah, nigga. You see what the fuck going on, nigga? Nigga, big rider, boy. On a motherfucking bridge, nigga. Alright, time to go. Y'all got it, that time, man. I'm fucking like I earned it. None of you guys can flash me. Niggas outside sliding. Other homie up over there. Nigga sliding though. See what the fuck going on.